Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to show you all how I take care of my water wave hair, how I make the curls pop each and every morning. So this hair is from Soku hair on Aliexpress. I will link the hair in the description box. So anyway, you guys, make sure you all keep watching and remember to subscribe. Bye guys. So this is typically how my hair looks in the morning. Very few curls are defined. Some maybe, but not much. Okay, you guys, so I usually just do one side of my hair at once. So I'm just gonna start with all this hair that's in front right now. And okay, so I have my little bag of all my hair care products I use for curly hair. So you need a spray bottle. Sometimes I fill this with conditioner. So the conditioner I use is the Pantene Natural Hair Conditioner. This conditioner. I've also used other brands, but I think I like this one the most. So I'm just gonna make sure I get the hair really moist. I just got this spray bottle from Amazon actually. You can get it from Dollar Tree or anything, but I didn't feel like going to the store, so I just ordered it on Amazon. I'm gonna make sure I get my hair really moist, really moist. When you get your hair wet, you can already see the curls forming. So that's pretty good, but if you want it to stay popping throughout the day, you're going to have to add a few extra products to it. So you start at the tip. I'm gonna take my wide tooth comb. I got this from Dollar Tree or Walgreens, but any wide tooth comb will work. So start from the bottom. So I never comb or brush my hair while it's dry. I only do it while it's wet. I really don't brush my hair at all. I only use a wide tooth comb. So if you feel like a few pieces kind of tugging, you're getting tangles, then just wet that area a little more. So this part looks like it's losing its curl, but what we're gonna do is kind of scrunch it and make it get its curl back while it's wet. So you see the ends are kind of, we're gonna get a little more wetness in them. Now, I won't have my hair just dripping wet, but it will definitely be damp, which is exactly what I want. So, if you see a few of the curls kind of looking a little too loose for your liking, you can kind of just scrunch it up a little bit. Scrunch it, scrunch it, scrunch it. So, this is how I want this side to look. So, in order to keep my curls to look wet all day. Now, I don't recommend this if this is your real hair. I literally just take the conditioner, add it to my hand, and I'm going to put the conditioner straight in my hair. I'm not washing it out. It's going to make your hair pretty hard when it dries. And it smells good, but it's gonna be hard, so maybe it's not the best feeling, but your curls are gonna look amazing. It's gonna look wet all day. So if you want that wet look, then I say lather and conditioner, not a lot because this conditioner is white. You don't want your hair to be white. So what I'm also gonna do is take my gel. Let me go into my bag. I'm going to take this gel. It's called the Wet Look Gel from LA Colors. They sell it at Kroger. I actually got this from jet.com. I know it's probably on Amazon too, so I'll make sure to link it. But I use a generous amount of this. And I like for the top to be like kind of straight and then like kind of blend down into all of these lovely curls. So what I'm gonna do is use a lot up here and kind of just smooth it out everywhere else. Smooth it out, smooth it out. So I can't find my brush, but I usually take like a men's wave brush and just brush this side down a little more. I don't need it today, so that's good. But yeah. So if you just want to be positive that you've got enough, that your hair is gonna look wettish all day, I take a little more conditioner, put it in, take a little more conditioner. So this is just normal conditioner. It's not leave-in conditioner or anything, but it's going to make your hair hard and your curls are gonna look great all day. So if you've ever accidentally left some conditioner in your hair, then you know what I'm talking about. So let me show you all how this looks. So after I detangled it a little bit, you can see this side is noticeably longer than this side because I detangled it some. So this is after. I want to show you all my hair after it dries a little bit because you're going to see it still looks just like this. My hair won't be big or anything. I don't really like big hair, but I love beautiful curls, beautiful waves. So yeah, this is before. Nothing special, and this is after. So let me go ahead and do this side. Take your spray. I have a little conditioner in here still. Wet up this side, wet it up, wet it up. This hair is from Soku hair on Aliexpress. These are 3 26-inch bundles and a 20-inch frontal. So I will link the hair in the description box. I'm going to let it dry for a little bit. You can air dry it or blow dry it on cool. But sometimes I just like for it to look like this because it doesn't take long to dry because I didn't wet it all the way. But I'm gonna come back when my hair is dry a little more and show you all the way it looks because we added that conditioner in. It's not gonna poof up throughout the day. But I'll be right back, guys. Bye. Okay, you guys, so this is how my hair looks when it's dry. My hair is completely dry, you guys. And it still looks like wet, which is the reason I usually put like normal conditioner in my hair. There are other products that do it, but everyone has conditioner laying around, so why not use just normal conditioner? But anyway, thank you all for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Have a great day, you guys. I'll put all the products used in the description box. Put links to my spray bottle, my gel, and everything I got from Amazon in the description box. So anyway, thank you all for watching. Have a great day. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, guys.